superpowers. Super Ella is flying.
Sofia, come on, honey. Our guests are here.
I'll be right there, Mom. I hope Ethan hasn't come. I am the superhero Ella. Super Ella. Of course he... Super Ella.
Meet my new monster truck, Simplest.
Run away! Hide now!
He's gonna crush us all!
Ah!
Let's get under the bed. Go, go, go.
Come on, I'll catch you all! Uh-oh, why won't the toy go in?
Toy! The toy will crush us.
A complete monster!
We're stuck here. How do we get out?
I have an idea, guys. The remote. Ethan controls the monster truck with the remote. If the remote breaks, it can't move. Helicopter! Can you knock the remote out of Ethan's hand?
Yes, I can do it. I got it.
You hurt my hand, Simple. Ouch! Where did that battery go?
I think the truck stopped when the remote broke.
I think you should be careful! Ouch! Monster! What? A monster? Where is the monster?
We actually thought you were the monster.
Me? Monster? Ha 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 ha! Come on!
You almost crushed us.
Ugh. Oh, did I do it again? It's because of that remote control. Every time Ethan picks it up, I lose my temper.
Hey, I finally found it! Let's put this battery in!
Ethan fixed the remote.
I need to get away from you! Get away from me!
Oh yeah, where were we?
No! Oh no, no! Hey!
Ouch! No! Ella, get out of here! Save yourself! It's too dangerous!
Hey! I'm back!
You're the best! Yes!
Ella, thank you so much. I'm finally completely free now.
You are a real hero, Ella. You saved our lives.
Hooray! Hero Ella!
Bravo, Ella! Well done! You're magnificent!
Hooray!
You're the best!
Why isn't this remote working? I put the battery in. Ha! Now it's on. You'll see it now. Why isn't this toy going in? Why isn't this remote working? Huh? You? All toy? Uh-oh. Mommy!
Why did you break into my room? Hey, wait! You forgot your toy.
I don't want you to have that monster.
Welcome aboard.
Toon Kids! Oof! Where did I put this drawing? Not here either. Could it be under the bed?
Sofia is not here today, it seems. Maybe I can reach out and catch someone. Oh, I've got you! Why aren't these toys moving?
Ethan,
Huh?
what are you doing in my room?
Sophia, were you here too?
Why are you holding my toy, Ethan?
What, this toy?
I'm already feeling down. I had drawn a picture of my favorite toys. I left it on the table, but now I can't find it.
The toys must have taken it for sure.
Are you kidding me? You took it, didn't you? Since you came in like this, you must have come in yesterday and taken my drawing. I'm going to tell Mom about what you did, Ethan.
Don't do it, Sophia, please.
Mom, Ethan took my drawing and won't give it back.
Sophia, I haven't seen any drawing. Please.
Ethan got caught badly. That'll teach him.
Very interesting. I saw Sophia's drawing yesterday too. Ethan was never here yesterday.
Yeah, Ethan couldn't have done this. That means the painting's really gone. We need to find it now.
I don't think there's any need. After this incident, Ethan can never come here again. We will be at ease.
Ethan is a naughty boy, okay. But Sophia will be very upset if she can't find her drawing.
Also, even if he's naughty, we don't want him to be unfairly accused, do we?
Yes, of course, definitely.
Let's start searching. Police, Vos, you go under the bed and thoroughly search there. Fire and ambulance, you look behind the bookshelf and other places. I'll search the shelves with Ella. Helicopter, you fly around inside the room and search from the air.
Helicopter ready for duty.
Let's go, guys.
Ella, is there a problem?
No! Why would it be a problem?
You don't seem very eager to help find the drawing.
No, I'm looking for it.
Ella, my dear, I think you have something to tell me. Ella?
Yes.
You know where the picture is, don't you? Did Ethan take it? Did you see him?
No, Ethan didn't take it.
Where is it then, do you know?
It's here.
Hey guys, stop searching, we found the drawing.
Hooray! Where was it?
The drawing is among the books.
I hid the drawing.
Huh?
Don't look like that. You heard right. I hid the drawing.
Why did you do such a thing, Ella? Look how upset Sofia is.
I'm upset too.
Why?
Look, you're all in the drawing. But I'm not. This is my drawing.
I think Sophia reserved a special place for you, Ella. Don't worry, Ella. You just made a mistake in a moment of jealousy, but by not lying to us, you've made up for your mistake.
I'm so sorry to all of you. I promise I won't be jealous like this again.
It happened to Ethan.
Guys, Sophia's coming. Everyone in your places.
Ethan, I don't want you to enter my room without permission anymore.
Can I enter now?
Yes, you can come in.
I didn't take the drawings, but I'll help you look for it. Look, I found it. Is this your drawing, Sophia?
Yay! This is it. This is the one. Look, did I do a good job?
Well, it's not bad. Why did you draw this differently?
I love all my toys very much, but I love Ella even more. That's why I drew her separately.
You little jealous toys. You were jealous of Ella and hid the drawing, didn't you?
Sorry, Ethan. I wrongfully accused you.
Yes, Sophia, you accused me for no reason. Lend me some of your toys so we can make up.
Ethan, you also entered my room without permission. You need to apologize too.
It was an accident. Why should I apologize?
No, Ethan. I can't give you a toy without apologizing.
Fine. Just lend me one of your toys then.
Ethan.
Okay. I apologize.
Okay, your apology is accepted. You can take the teddy bear, but only for one day.
Okay. On second thought, I'd better go.
Mommy!
What's wrong with this boy now? He wanted the toy, then he just ran away. Toon Kids!
Ethan, look, the Ender Dragon is coming!
And this time, I'm definitely going to beat it.
Sophia, Ethan, dinner is ready. Come right away. It was just getting to the most exciting part.
Let's go. I'm losing anyway.
I wonder what made Sophia and Ethan so excited.
Everything is made of blocks.
We must be careful. Technology is dangerous for us. Don't touch anything.
Don't be silly, Teddy. Look, nothing's happening. You're worrying for no reason. Hey!
What were you saying, Was?
I was saying, whoa! What is this place?
We've entered the Minecraft world.
How are we going to get back now?
Teddy, don't panic. Look how nice it is. It even looks very safe.
Who are you guys? And why do you look so strange? You're safe here. I'm Steve.
We came from the real world. I'm Ella. This is Teddy. And that's Wazwaz.
We need to go back. Go back to the real world? The only way out is the end portal. You'll have to pass by the Ender Dragon.
The Ender Dragon? Is that the unbeatable creature Ethan talked about?
Yes, it's very dangerous. Don't let the Ender Dragon see you on your way to the portal.
Whoa! What was that?
We need to find the underground fortress. The end portal is there.
I'm ready. Let's go find the underground fortress. What was that? I'm so scared.
Night is really dangerous here. We should build a shelter first.
What are those?
Monsters. Let's rest well tonight. We'll head for the underground fortress in the morning. Here's the portal. This will take you to the end.
What if the Ender Dragon sees us? Dragons can hear loud noises instantly.
Yes, stay quiet and move to the portal quickly.
It's huge!
Be quiet. Enter the portal before it notices us.
The dragon is coming! Run!
A book came out of my hood.
Unbelievable! That book is hurting it.
Oh, poor little dragon. Let me save you right away. What's happening? Oh no, the little dragon is gone.
I can't believe it. This must be the lost code books. You switched the dragon to creative mode and destroyed it.
Nice work, buddy.
You're my hero, Wazwaz. You saved us all.
Will this portal take us home?
Yes, hurry. You must go before it closes.
Thank you, Steve.
Goodbye, toys. I'm glad I met you.
What? The Ender Dragon has been defeated and in creative mode.
Toon Kids.
Sophia, can you tell me where you're going?
We're going on a weekend vacation.
So, I guess you won't be staying here for the entire weekend, right? What about your toys? Are you taking them along with you?
No, they're staying at home. Since it's just a short trip, I'm leaving them here.
That sounds really nice. So, you'll be alone at home the whole weekend.
Friends, we might really be in big trouble.
What happened, Ella?
Ethan found out that Sophia went on a vacation and left us at home. Let him know. We are safe inside the house. What can he even do to us? I don't know, but we're talking about Ethan. He can do anything at any moment.
Calm down, Ella. Ethan can't get into the house. We're safe here. Let's enjoy our weekend too. Who wants to watch a movie? Who wants? Me!
Me?
We should be careful. Ethan might take advantage of the empty house and even try to catch us.
Yes, Teddy. Friends, please listen. Ethan might find a way to get into the house. No way! How could Ethan get in? It's not like he has a key, right?
Ethan, here's the key. Feed Sophia's cat and also water all the plants.
Mom, why am I the one doing all this? Aha! I'll do it right away, Mom.
Ethan has the key. Run and hide! Ethan is coming!
Stay calm, Wos. Wos. We need to come up with a plan.
Sophia goes on vacation. I take care of her cat. Water her flowers. No such thing. I'll take care of Sophia's little toys, not anything else. Hey, toys! Where are you? You're not here either. Did Sophia put you all in the closet? There are no toys here either. So where are you? Aha! There you are! What just happened here? Now I'll catch every one of you all!
Wait! Now!
If I catch you right now!
Ethan, what are you doing in our house?
Well, the cat, the food, plants? I came to water the plants.
Ethan! Good thing Sophia came back early.
Yes, otherwise we'd have had to clean up the whole house.
This was a good lesson for Ethan.
I won't let you get away with this.
Ethan! Hey, keep going. Your mom said not to come back home until you fix your mess. The walls still need to be cleaned.
Troublesome toys.
Toon Kids.
My dear grandpa gave me his childhood toy as a gift. It's still so sturdy. It spins so beautifully. I have to go now, but you keep spinning, okay?
Ouch! Why are you hitting me?
Whoa! It hit me too!
How sensitive you are. If that old spinning top hit me, I wouldn't even feel a thing. Help! Someone save me! It's going to crush us all!
Calm down, Was. Ugh, my head is spinning so much. Oh, I haven't spun at all in ages. I think I'm rusty.
Welcome to the group, Spin Top. The group?
Yes. Since Sofia got you as a special gift, you're truly one of us now.
It makes me so happy to be able to join you. I am really touched right now. That's how it is. Time passed. Technology advanced. And just like that, we became old toys.
But that's so sad, buddy.
That is life, buddy. Technological toys will also slowly start to take your place.
Sure. My spot is rock solid and no one can take it from me.
When Sofia's grandpa was a child, I was his only toy. But then I was forgotten in a corner.
Being forgotten is normal. Isn't it boring? All you do is spin.
Don't just call it spinning. It's really hard work.
Oh, come on. I bet if we had a spinning contest, I'd beat you easily.
Was, he's a spinning top. You can't spin better than him.
Then let's have a race.
That wouldn't be fair. I have an advantage over you.
Ha! That's what you think. You were crashing into things just a moment ago. Move aside, everyone. Let's see who really wins.
The rules are simple. When I say go, you start spinning.
The one who spins the longest wins.
That means me.
I don't think so.
3, 2, 1, go!
Now that's how you spin.
Oh, wow. You turned into a robot? Remember, Was, he who laughs last laughs best.
You'll see now. Let's see who's laughing.
The more I spin, the better I get, just like in the old days.
I'm getting dizzy. Okay, I give up. I stopped, but why is the world still spinning?
Was, are you okay?
I'm fine, but why aren't you staying still, Mons?
I am standing still, Was. You spun so much that you lost your balance.
I told you spinning wasn't easy, Was.
You were right, Spintop. But if you're really that good at this, then tell me, why did people stop playing with you?
Times have changed. Toys have evolved.
Even if time passes, I won't be replaced. Plus, I can turn into a robot too. Be replaced? No way! I've already been replaced. Look at that. No, I don't want to be forgotten. I can't end up like this spinning top.
Like this spinning top, huh?
I didn't mean it like that.
Well, you just lost to this spinning top in a spinning contest.
Come on then, let's have a speed race.
No.
Okay. How about a ramp climbing contest?
No!
How about a drifting contest?
I say no.
A contest to see who can flash their lights even faster?
No way, Was, no way. I don't even have headlights.
All right then, let's race in reverse.
How about a silent contest, Was? Let's see who can stay quiet the longest.
Okay, sounds great.
The contest has started. Shh. You lost this contest too.
Oh no!
Toon Kids.
I loved this three-dimensional printer so much. I can print anything I imagine. Now let's print a nice cup set for the table. It turned out great, didn't it, Ella? Let's play together when I come back in the evening. I have to leave now.
What a magical machine this is. This thread turns into a table and chairs when it gets warm.
So can this machine also make toys?
Yes, we can have new friends.
Let's make a toy with big wheels that will be friends with all of us.
Friends, this machine is Sofia's. It's not right for us to use it.
But I'm so curious.
Let the toy have wings.
And let its wheels be big.
Make it shiny red.
Guys, don't just press the buttons like that. You'll break the machine.
All right, I'm starting it now. Here we go. Started!
Oh no, what kind of toy is this?
It was supposed to have red body, not eyes.
Friends, what have we done?
Hello, my name is Was.
Rah.
Hi, Roa. These are Ella, Teddy, and Mons.
Rah.
Okay, got it. Your name is Roa.
Was, I don't think he understands us. I think it's roaring.
Still nice name. Roa, let's play.
Rah. Rah.
Friends, this is a real monster.
I added a monster feature to the settings to make it look like me.
What? Isn't Roa a friend?
We shouldn't have touched the machine at all. We have to get everything back before Sofia arrives.
You're right, Bear.
So, how do we get rid of it?
If the machine makes toys by heating thread, we can turn it back into thread by heating it.
I got it. Let's use the power of light. We can heat it with a magnifying glass and sunlight.
That's a great idea.
Let's do it!
Position taken. The light is focused on the target.
It's happening!
Yay! It worked, Mons.
Rah! Rah!
I guess we didn't make it. The sun's power is down.
Was. Roa is coming towards you.
Mons, thank you. You saved my life.
Rah! Rah!
You look so hungry and angry, Roa.
It's because I added the monster trait.
We all did it together, Mons. It's not your fault. We have to solve this problem together.
Rah! Rah!
Take that, Roa! Oh,
strong.
Rah! Rah!
Mons ran away, guys.
Mons?
We're cornered here.
He's going to eat us. We did it! Hello, little adventurers! Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our thrilling and joyful journeys.